In the gentle embrace of rustic charm and timeless elegance lies the allure of antique farmhouse cottage decorating. Hi friends, welcome to our channel, where we embark on a journey to explore the essence of bygone eras and timeless treasures, guiding you through the intricate art of infusing antique allure into a farmhouse cottage century. Antique farmhouse cottage decorating embodies a journey of rediscovery, where the echoes of history resonate with timeless elegance. From the withered patina of aged wood to the delicate intricacies of vintage lace, every element tells a story, weaving a tapestry of nostalgia and charm within your cottage century. Join us as we dive into the essence of rediscovery elegance, uncovering the transformative power of antique treasures in elevating your living space. At the heart of Antiques Farmhouse Cottage Decorating lies the art of curating vintage finds, each whispering tales of bygone eras and cherished memories. From the quaint treasures discovered in dusty attics to the timeless heirlooms passed down through generations, each piece adds depth and character to your cottage decor. We embark on a journey through time exploring the art of curating vintage finds and illuminating their role in infusing your home with authenticity and allure. In the embrace of antique farmhouse cottage decorating lies the timeless allure of aged wood and worn finishes. From the withered beams of a rustic barn to the distressed surface of vintage furniture, the patina of time adds a sense of history and character to your living space. We dive into the beauty of timeless patina, showcasing its ability to evoke warmth and nostalgia within your farmhouse cottage century. Soft color palette serves as the canvas which the beauty of antique treasures unfolds. Inspired by the gentle hues of nature, a delicate symphony of muted tones and pastel shades adorn the walls, casting a serene allure that envelops the soul. We explore the significance of soft color palettes in antique farmhouse cottage decorating, unrevealing their transformative power in creating a harmonious backdrop for vintage elegance to shine. The farmhouse kitchen stands as a testament to tradition and culinary delights, where rustic charm meets timeless elegance. With its withered surface and vintage accent, the farmhouse kitchen becomes a sanctuary where memories are made and traditions are honored. In the tapestry of antique farmhouse cottage interior decoration lies a myriad of quaint accents, each imbued with its own unique charm and character. From messenger lanterns casting a warm glow to floral arrangements blooming with vitality, this accent weave a narrative of simplicity and beauty within your home sanctuary. We illuminate the significance of quaint accent, showcasing their ability to add depth and personality to your antique farmhouse cottage retreat. In the whimsical tapestry of farmhouse cottage decor, whimsical accent add a touch of delight and charm to your living space. From antique trinkets displayed on shelf to vintage signage adorning the walls, this accent evokes a sense of nostalgia and whimsy, transforming your home into a whimsical wonderland. We explore the magic of whimsical accent, showcasing how these playful elements can elevate the ambience of your farmhouse cottage retreat. Join us on this enchanting journey as we explore the timeless beauty of antique farmhouse cottage decorating ideas, guiding you through the art of infusing history, character, and charm into your home sanctuary. From the embrace of antique to the celebration of personal connection, let us embark together on a voyage of discovery where memories are crafted and stories are told. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more inspiration on creating your dream farmhouse cottage retreat.